Canadian loud there, oh, Canadian. Why people know they patronize me today? I mean, this loud no time. And which I say for Farouk, where hook whiskey be this now?
You are bad guy.
Canadian. Voila.
I don't dare my fans.
Tell me, God, this crash you. Are you sure you don't want this?
Which one you want now? Canadian loud deal, you boku. Now why did they call me Shopofo drugging and smoking? I get heroin, I get cocaine. See, even though you want happy pass happy boys, I get happy people, I get molly. Nah, this way you don't sell them. On that which kind of question they ask me now, say you go buy, you no go buy. Oh yeah, make I bust you. After the video whiskey and Burna Boy for this Nigeria, nobody sold out past me. Okay, now which one be this now? Why they slap me now? Jesus!
You don't know.
Guy, let's go Shopofo where they sell drugs.
Nah,
I don't Canada, I don't come back.
Why you there station today?
Okay, I beg, before you carry me go your office, you can run into Canada again.
You are a very bad boy.
If you know, say you would define where you don't buy luxury bathroom accessories or bathroom stuffs like WC, washing and basin, bathtub, Sandro luxury bathroom is the right place for you to go.
We take it to Canada, of course. What
click on their hand right now, message them, patronize them. Tell them you are from Shopofo, they're going to give you a discount. Don't go for my brother.
Officer, I've told you now, I know they do Yahoo.
Young man, I dey warn you. Leave me make I do my job. I know my work very well.
Respect.
You say you know they do Yahoo. How come your time they show 4 a.m. for this hot sun?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So, officer, see, make I tell you the truth. Now, me do man why I know they do Yahoo.
Okay, now me do man you they do.
Now, me do man why
You know they do Yahoo?
Yes.
No issue. You see that he lost way park for there. Go inside, may you sit down for me do. Can I move it? You want to teach me my work?
I wonder.
Marius, how you doing now? Yeah, you carry cake come for me.
This that thing, now wheat cake.
Wheat cake?
Yes.
I am.
No, they chop that thing like that. Now I don't tell you. Now wheat cake. Now and I'll use them for myself. Now for the weather, I'm not too happy like that.
What do you?
Bro, my ticket's cut.
Your ticket cost how much?
15 million.
Yeah.
I use 100 naira to play.
Bloody hell.
Yeah. Now wheat cake be this so. No, they chop. They know they chop and plenty.
Like that. Guy, I be OG now. They worry you now.
They know they chop and plenty like that.
As for that, your ticket we cut. I don't tell you. They always use must win big. They are good at soccer predictions, bro. Their Telegram channel is on the link in their bio. I'm telling you. They are fast and they are reliable. Don't worry. Now they use now, and I know they lose. I know they lose bet.
They know they chop and plenty like that.
See, they worry you now. I want to take grace for this cake. How long will it take for this wheat cake to kick in? How you go stand for that place now? And they ask you, say, how long will it take for this wheat cake to kick in?
You
go stand for that side.
Long. Don't worry.
Why they look me like that now?
Mr. Man.
Oh. It's like.
Sorry. I be one ask you, say, how long will it take for this wheat cake to kick in?
Kick in?
Bro.
I been they ask, how long will it take before this wheat cake kicks in? Yes! It has kicked in. I said they ask you that since we know it up. Please, can I eat my cake and have it?
Take the wheat cake to kick in. No be, let me eat my cake and have it only. You will have your cake and eat it. So after all the scenario, you've not still recognized that they have arrested that guy. Cake they sweet you. Don't go, Kana. That's interesting one from AGK. Just watch this video to the end. You're going to like it. There are a lot of favorite sweet comedy. Funny and bad one. Let's go.
All of a sudden,
you see what I'm talking about. This one.
Jesus.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
For me.
God, now girl I put for house. I be
Is it for me? Some girls will be pretending, forming soft, taking the risks to remain or even throw or do away with sweet fried rice and jollof. But at home, you see them.
Helping you is not a problem. However, if you can adhere to this one condition, then I will give you the money you need. If you can sleep over in my house to the next day.
Oga, no understand. We can't be sleep over your house because you won't help us. If you want to use us, make you tell us now. Read my lips. Keep your money at your house. You know they sleep over. I don't want to go. Everybody sleep over. My mama they sleep over your house.
Here is $10,000. If you can sleep over in my house till the next day, this whole money is yours.
Bro, what is your aim? Why do you want them to sleep over?
Oga, which room?
Alright.
Oh, very dark man has prepared his ring light to have finished.
Yes, I'm a boss. Make the family smart before you come out now.
More right now, nothing just there. Nothing just there.
Your Indomie quick done. Not mean say person with the cook beans lazy.
Inspirational speaker, be motivational speaker.
Throw away your beans, cook the Indomie.
There is prophecy.
Throw away your beans and cook your Indomie. Bless
Not feel this world.
You'll be thinking as if I don't understand. Throw away your beans, cook the Indomie now. It's easy. A lot of people are like this when they beg somebody's money and you fail to give them, they will just be thinking as if waiting.
Oh Gigi, oh Gigi.
Jesus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6.
She's so pretty.
Wait be this. Man the wet? No? Wait!
They play.
I'm gonna punish you. Wake up!
Hi, darling.
Hi, darling. Swear say you just wake up.
I swear.
You swear? No be you peace.
Ew, no. Aren't you the one there?
I mean not the one there. Is this where I be gone? Is that not where I be gone?
Not me.
Swear say no be you push me here. You swear?
I
No worry.
swear.
Swear no go. Swear say no be you push me here.
I'm so sorry. I've been battling with this since I was young, but now you're amongst the few precious people that know about it.
Few precious people that know about it. Did I tell you I want to know? Did I tell you I want to know? How your peace go dey smell sweet? How your peace go dey?
Shank.
I go punish you. That 200k I sent to you, please send me back to me now.
But I've go. I converted it to Bitcoin.
You convert it to Bitcoin. It's even good. Take your phone. Take your phone now, Joe. Download the Jotter app. It's the best place to trade your crypto to Naira. They are fast, they are very reliable, they don't scam. Do that now. Send my money now. Jotter app. Download it on Apple Play Store everywhere. Download it now. Have you sent my money?
Done.
In fact, take your bag. They go to Papa house. They go to Papa house, Joe. Before
Just
I call
like
the
that.
neighbors.
Come on, you're serious.
Go to your house, Joe.
You won't believe we're twinning.
Twinning. You are who?
Did she get it now?
Blood of Jesus. Your mates, they move, we make up. They move, you shigidi. You don't guess this?
I'm part of the Shigidi gang.
Ma, me I know there any shigidi gang go. See, it's fake. I use it to scare girls, so I'm not sending money. Yeah.
Let's play, Joe. You want to buy football logo? Say your own.
My God so love the world that the game is only people.
You want to buy football logo? Jerry. So you're not part of us.
Did I not tell you? Wait, please change me back. I miss my mommy.
It's only my pee that can change you back, oh.
That's smelly.
I can't believe I'll say this. Mama, please piss on me.
You agree?
Salty witch. Back mommy me.
Oh my God. Which one is salty with my family?
I forget them.
But I think you carry on now. Now if we disappear, enter inside, I will not take disappear, come back again.
But no worry, if we disappear, enter. I will use the key. Open, I will come outside.
Order.
Hey!
Do you know this people?
Sabi this Jotter. Now this one when they come knock me for dream when they come in here na him. What be spiritual wafu na him.
You must learn a lesson.
So now this getting knock you for me. Now the Jotter be that way. No.
Bad man. Oh, the shot.
What about this one?
These people want to kill me, man.
Wait, he's deaf and dumb. My mother used to be a deaf and dumb. For the memory of my mother, I free you. Get out! Go.
God have mercy upon us.
Which is this sign of God?
I don't understand.
What? I sabi this now. See Westo. Now this one when they holding my hand. When that you want to knock me on, I didn't just be that.
I just able start the work. And my first time in this, I tear they do.
See Jotter for sex.
That puberty. I swear to my head.
So you get us.
And you can talk.
I don't know say I really talk all this way. I swear.
Wait. What have I done?
Doing Wiper the Viper, you guys are crazy guys. I must commend you guys for this wonderful hard work. At least these people are really doing well. There's no way you watch that comment and you don't laugh at your memory. Let's see this one.
Aliko, what were you doing in Chitom's house?
Papa, we built it outside the watch film.
Yeah, no, they watch film. You go see film now. Calm down for me, okay?
Mama, you and me bacon, huh? You know I'm your only son.
You know the hear word. It's so stubborn. See your head.
What be this? Aliko, this is a lie detector. If you should lie, it will slap you. Aliko, what were you doing in Chitom's house?
Papa, we built the watch film together now.
Lie number one.
Aliko, what were you doing in Chitom's house?
Papa, they got they solve mathematics.
Jesus!
Lie number two.
You never see anything.
Aliko again, what were you doing in Chitom's house?
Papa, they smoke now.
Your child? When I was your age, I used to do something like that.
Oh no, do father.
Now see, like father, like son. Yeah.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, guys? Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? It simply means what? If you know, let me see in the comment box. Let me see if you understand this comment. Most of them don't understand why the lie dictator slap the woman. If you know, let me see.
Alpha guy, you get something where you know they tell me. Me and you know say you know get money to chop, you poor. But every day you dey carry ashawo. How you dey take pay these people?
Me pay ashawo. I no dey pay ashawo.
How you dey take do am?
You want know?
I want know.
Follow me.
Nah, come. Me and you now we know say we know the police. What will they do with this uniform?
Oga, follow me now.
Follow and stop complaining. Follow.
Officer, I beg.
If you move, Chego men don't talk and say they no one see ashawo for here. Every night una go call here constant. Muna dey go, all of una go run for station. Come on, move. Let's go to the station.
Officer, I beg, we no wan go station. I beg, make I just give you one game. Make you use whole body this night. I beg.
Get am. You said?
We will give you one game. Make you use whole body this night. I beg.
Okay, now one give us one game. We use whole body. No, beside the.
Shut up.
You come.
Turn around first.
Turn around.
No, we say you did, but you did turn around.
This I go. You go where now? Yes. No, I beg. We need carry two. If you hold one, I hold one.
No, now if you do finish, I do. You know the last now.
Yeah.
You move it.
Calm down. You see, now I know say for this country, nobody who get money and who get say.
You come.
Loud.
No.
It's true, honestly.
They go front.
Now get sense. Trying to enjoy this one now. So those guys are very funny guys. Available to Panchai, the native doctor guy. That's the native doctor guy. Automatically. That's how it's like, you know.
What's this hot girl doing under this hot sun? Do you know why I'm not sweating?
Okay. Why?
Because you're hotter than the sun. Aji.
You gotta trust man.
This your car is very nice. So.
This car, it's too expensive now. Why? You get gun for your hand?
No, why?
I was saying make sure this car now bulletproof.
Really?
Aji.
Okay.
Let me show you something. Hold on.
Let's have it.
You hear this sound? Take note, not anybody. Now this sound you go hear when you shop.
Oh my goodness.
So where are you going to now?
I'm just going to my house, not far from here.
My side is not far from here.
Okay.
Just enter the way I just carry reach my side.
I promise you know it.
That's good.
I promise you know it. Definitely, guests cannot look at motor and your face.
Thank you.
Jesus.
What's going on here?
Who is this?
Sorry, now my boss. Now maybe the driver.
I don't understand.
Now maybe my boss. Now maybe the driver.
What type of plane is this?
I be like boss for you.
Don't worry, my dear. It's my boy.
It is in our play.
Be free. Chill. Go safe.
That's what I do for you.
Okay.
Listen, no guys me feel free. So you're a kind man.
Who plays?
So feel at home. Sorry, feel like a passenger.
And your guy is a very gentle person. Maybe he just wants his boy to, be carrying women. He doesn't have problem with that. Some guys are like that, but it's very rare to see. Very rare.
You were not informed too.
So talk less. Remember by 2.
Okay.
We are going out. So whatever you want to do it fast. Pretty girl, please feel free. Feel at home. Talk less, take care of her.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now let me show you around.
Jesus.
So this is true. You're actually a driver.
I'm going to lie for you now. I don't want to show you around. See, this room, so now me and security they say, but now 2 people.
Nobody's pranking.
You know what? Just go and drop me back where you picked me up from.
Madam, calm down. You know, say my guy say we dey come out 2 o'clock. Just chill for my side so that. Madam, calm down now.
So you know who get money? Now just sweet mouth to get.
Madam, this life no balance. So I dey see my guy will be billionaire so. I mean they toast me for him.
Why not toast me for your guy?
Oh, Benny.
Now you I like now.
Na poverty na go like you. Na poverty na go like you.
Go.
But wait. If I agree for you, how you go take care of me? It's my skin.
Just a plate.
Madam, you say agree first. If you don't agree, we go check off for that company now. They say get money pass. Now you go spend for person now.
Oh God, now go punish you. They go punish you.
So this girl so, if na don't they use skincare now, na billionaire be na spec. Aje.
Sometimes I laugh at these girls. They will look at their skin and feel they are very special. Like they deserve a very better man. Who wants to do the forward?
It's your boyfriend that's been sponsoring your body lifestyle. The same person you told to buy you Benz.
You put your brain on that song, will make your sense dry. Make I buy you see 300 Benz when I never see 300k to complete my rent.
You don't believe, right? I don't believe it.
For this bad economy, you still get bad character.
Hey baby, I need a new hair. All the ones I have, I don't like them anymore.
Oh, Benny.
Okay, how much?
5 million.
Yes!
I did not trust any girl.
I will not lie.
Alright, I've sent it.
It's a lie.
Don't play.
But wait, with the way this guy is spending on you, you need to find out the source of his money.
I'm a 10 kilo body would they play.
Babe, I want to cook. We need to refill the gas.
Yeah, how much?
You know 12 kg is expensive, oh.
How much?
2.5 million.
Jesus.
Cent.
Ha! Babe, what do you do for a living? Like I've been spending too much lately.
Okay, you want to know now, Abi? After the money we don't chop, you know they ask since you. Now you don't call the ask. No one and the ritualist that they use you for a living.
So you
That's
use me
a
for
prank.
ritual. Mommy!
What's the problem?
I don't die, my friends.
Your cries has been disturbing the seawall.
Shaking the heaven and the hell.
Madam, Queen Mother, now lie you see. Now party post at the play. If you play the Aviator game and use my promo code Loudly Instant, you get 700,000 bonus on your first deposit. See it here.
Our guy talk to once.
That means say we fit buy Third Mainland Bridge River now.
Una the limit to yourself. Una go buy Pacific Ocean.
Pacific. Come on, disappear, go see my husband.
I beg, please. I can only give you update. Take and go and buy. Don't carry your matter, come rob me. How can I vanish with you to see your husband now? Am I
No problem. Wait till they talk.
So, tell me about your ex.
Are you mad?
Are you okay?
Lion! You don't win 23 million. Check your game.
He said,
That game will play yesterday. He enter.
23 million!
I tell you that.
23 million! Jesus! Hey, guess what? How much this is that your eye surgery again?
22 million.
22 million?
Yes.
I have 23 million. Let's go.
high blood pressure if you go to.
This is sad. How can I jump fence with my 22 million to do surgery?
Thank you so much for taking care of my eye surgery. I really appreciate you.
What's my friend doing inside there?
Like your friend they entered my eye.
Why is my money repair?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, it's fine.
Are
you okay?
Yes, so.
Just that sometimes I used to see people that are close far. I used to see people that are far close.
Jesus.
The same eye problem.
What about now? Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
You can see me.
Past experience.
What about you? Can you see me?
Not so clear.
Can you see me now?
I can't see you.
You'll never see me again. No?
You are mad. How can you see?
Get out!
When the other girl that dealt hell with me was blind, I used my 22 million jump fence for her to be saved. And now I'll meet another one with that problem. To fear What on
earth is that?
Fine girl, did you want to kill yourself? Are you okay?
I just called my boyfriend cheating on me with another woman.
Jesus.
And after everything I've done for that guy, the most painful part of all these things is that I was loyal and faithful to him, and he still has the guts to do that to me. It's unfair.
Sorry, so sorry about that. But I don't know me saying you can't enter me.
You're handsome.
Blood of Jesus, see my head.
You know what? Let me take you out on a date.
On
me. I'll lodge you.
You want to lodge me?
Yes, I'll give you different styles the way you like it.
You want to give me different style?
Sensational.
See, I'm sorry about that, but I have a girlfriend. Jesus Christ. If I do that, I'll be cheating on my girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend? I'm so sorry, I didn't know.
But you know what? Don't worry, you'll be fine.
I'll be fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, bye-bye.
Like, no, we will not too look for women like
and even have a girlfriend.
What did she say was wrong with her?
The girl was telling me that she just caught her boyfriend cheating on her. I don't even believe this girl was offering herself to me.
Are you serious?
I swear.
My gender. Nothing they will not do. How can a man do this? He can't even cheat on his girlfriend, even the fact that she's not here. My own useless one, they cheat on me with different girls, It's life. Mr. Edu Boy.
Jesus.
For your bookings.
I thought he's a good boy.
A trial will convince you.
If you don't believe me.
Now why will they call am joke?
I thought you were good. I was even hailing you, but I know something was wrong. I know something went wrong when you left that girl without anything. Not be the Edo boy I know. Don't be the Edo boy.
You understand they stay together. Now only bush shall they see for this your area. I tell the road, John. What the be this? Hey, my dollars. My $20. Oh boy, this man just obtained for birthday light, oh. Yes, oh, my dollars. Come pursue them. Come enter my motor. Okay.
Money gang. Owo yapa owo gang. Owo yapa owo gang. Shut down where Beanie Boys gang. Owo yapa.
See them.
My dollars.
See them.
a criminal.
Come here. Ha! See these thieves, so. Now they mentor. Come on, give me that bag now. Thieves. For brother like na thief.
I will be this one.
Go find work, oh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm scared for my life.
Who sent me a message? What's up, guys? Join the Mozart Bet online slot tournament.
Oh boy,
from July 1st to July 15th.
next time
and
you will never ever work.
That's massive.
Anybody.
You can play
And I
600
was
exciting
wondering,
games with
how
very low
come
data.
you changed
With as
those
low as
people
100
and you saw
naira,
them
you can win
relaxing
millions of
at
naira
one
by
point?
playing casino
You
games.
never
video games, and more.
suspected that
Guys, don't
something
sleep on
was
this one.
fishy.
The link is in my bio.
You were
Mozart
still
Bet,
pushing
join
forward,
and
not to
play.
be a
Let's
good
go.
Samaritan. Please watch this comedy to the end. You're gonna enjoy it back to back, serious banker. Let's go, guys. On the floor.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I just came to say hi to you.
I thought I told you I am no longer interested in this relationship.
Damn.
By force.
I know we just broke up, but continue. I don't want us to quarrel. And then, even if you don't want me anymore, I want this relationship to end in a blast.
You didn't want?
And to show I don't have any bad intentions, I brought you a gift.
I'm just here ourselves.
See, I'm just collecting it for you so that you don't look like I'm a bad person. Please, don't come to my house again.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see how it's gonna end. Blast.
I want this relationship to end in a blast.
Shit!
La! He's finished. This guy is wicked. Forget.
Guys, see,
no,
as you can see now, I want to place my bet now.
This is a very big lesson.
Oh my god, I just won.
One.
Play again. I just won.
It teaches
yeah,
that.
I want to play again now. Just guys watch now.
It actually teaches.
Ah, fuck, net. I'm playing again. I just won 120,000.
You are no longer dating
It's
a girl.
not just about betting.
No
you can also place your bet on
Don't
1x games
accept
and
anything
casinos
from
and make
them.
a
Don't
lot of
try
money.
to
Register on
want
1x
to
bet today and use my promo code
Let
FROSH300
bygones
and get
by
700,000 naira and
Come.
150 free spins
not.
on your first
They may not
deposit.
even
You can
bust
also
you. They may
participate in
not
1x
even
game
end
and
the
casino
blood.
tournaments
They may
to
not
increase your
even
chances of
bomb
winning.
your
And
house.
guess what? Drop and
Until
win
you
tournament
go bomb
also
might
enables you
happen
to
to
get
you.
a share of the big prize of
So guys,
30 million.
make sure you watch it to the end
All
and
you need to
subscribe,
do
turn on
is
post
click on the
notification
link
bell
in my
icon
bio,
to boy
register,
Crity
and don't forget
React
to use the promo code
Blast,
FROSH300.
funny
Let's
blast.
go.
Let's go, guys. This is love. Oh, this is love.
Can I know more about you?
Jesus.
Why are you laughing?
What?
I say, can I know more about you?
Hey! You want use my lemon? Them they use my lemon.
I will take you do that kind of thing. Ow.
Isaac! Pinky!
You don't know Brainjotter. You want to be friendly with Brainjotter that has no brain. But I never blame Brainjotter. I blame the stammerer. I blame the girl. You are stammering. They ask you something, and you know Brainjotter does not have time for all this. So when to start his dancing style. Alright guys, I think this one is funny from Brainjotter and also his companion. I don't know the other guy's name, but let's see this one from my Mr. Six. Yes, official Mr. Six. And I think this one is also funny. Let's go.
What's going on here?
Young man, who are you? I'm a cleaner, sir. John Bosco, excuse me. You sure say be cleaner? Yes, sir.
Who are you
Sleep with
again?
Esther. I'm not sleep with her. Because I keep asking me sleep with her yesterday.
The blood of Jesus.
Sir, I swear.
Devil has been waiting for you since fulfilled.
Why you wear condom? Sir, I swear, I wear and come from house.
You gonna explain?
Are you always prepared? Like, okay, you mean wearing it? You wore it right from home. That means you are prepared for what will happen at where you're going to. Or I beg you, let me bite.
Please, not too far. Now,
Why you wear that level now?
Sorry.
I beg.
The solution and the water will do the if you say now book boat, now if I book, no come. If I make I use bike, they not the agree they come.
No, this road is not encouraging at all.
Where the rich and that place here.
Should have allowed us to take bite now, Maruwa.
Bike, no, they no go come now. The road bad. That make
I'm walking up. See, look at that place that boat is staying. I just don't carry me the waka. It's annoying. I can't move an inch again. I'm sorry. I can't move an inch from this place.
See where this thing. Look that. See that computer.
I can't move an inch. I beg.
I don't want to know my place.
I beg.
Where you go?
I'm going on now. They carry me waka all about like say.
They carry you. No be where they stay. Go carry you. Go no be place where they stay. Go carry you.
I'm not so don't you have a house? So you have the point.
Now tell me why you trying to cry.
You want to kidnap me? I don't understand.
I do want to cry, kid.
You go with the house you go soon.
Before uncle.
You say you want to know my place. If I carry you to go my place, you dey complain. Make people not dey come here. Bike not dey come here. Your mind dey tell say I be bad person. You curious. I want to know my place now. If you say everybody will stay Lagos and get house.
Please don't happen. SK, I was taking to get to here.
Okay, well done. Well done, my brother. Who there? Okay, I feel like these people food go well.
That will call me.
You don't know the mirrors for Nwatorocha Street, where they for Ikenebu beside Sonic Fast Food.
On my first time, why they come here?
And then be the best for this over. Not be only that one, but their drinks. You know, go drink for you, finish, come go house, finish, come go say they fight also. Wow. If you even come do your birthday yourself, a lot of things.
I tell you. I bet who's there?
Let's have it. Let's have
If
it.
you bring my own, bring exactly like this, so bring one copy for me. This type of meat where you give this person, no go bring.
This man don't hide.
What's that? What's that?
I know I have story.
My food, using
Go
for
bring
example.
even the ball, make the ball.
Okay, what's be your own now? Why they took hand for my food anyhow? You never even wash hand. You don't they put this or dirty hand for my food.
Okay. You didn't want me. Now, but to give example.
I know they. Okay, I don't tight my belly don't tight. I know they like this kind of rubbish.
Okay, I just wanted a man to give me meat now. You they sort me, not be my own. I come by.
Just come and go the chicken for food anyhow. Enjoy the food now. Nobody sweets you.
Okay. Okay, don't go. Okay, don't go.
And you think you'll be eating the food all the
Clapper for Jesus.
Okay.
What's going on here?
I'm running at 7,000.
Who are you? Is it?
He never pay. I'm running at 7,000.
Someone never pay.
He never pay.
Well, make a call him.
Where you go? Sit down, make you pay me.
Jesus. Who thought that one?
You see person will come here, we want chop. You carry hand, put inside waiting in the chop. You don't ask question. That's what you did.
Yeah.
Jesus!
This is
Ouch him.
Ouch.
I don't dare my fans.
How long are you going to spend
Neighbor,
here?
I beg you, no go vex. Help me charge my phone. I beg the battery don't low.
No light, everywhere. Nobody get light.
When I not get light.
So why don't wash your by your house?
No, normally, you know, say me I know they get light for my house since so many years now. I never
So
pay.
you like darkness, no? Why not? My NEPA, now they're going to cut the light because everybody they own
NEPA?
too much.
Then cut.
They cut the light, so they find person we go fix them. You know that illegal fixing.
When I the 5 person to fix them.
I will go pay them. We go pay the person money.
When I the 5 person we will go fix na light for una. When me a day here.
If you do light, you know about
You see what I mean? Me. We learn elect for school.
You elect by SS1.
For secondary school, that they call me only wire. Because the thing with me I know now only wire.
If you like, make it be as a man.
How can I no go? Me a day here. Just carry the money, give me, make a fix her. What's with that one? That make that they talk say a king is not honored in his hometown. Now so
qualified to be servant.
me I know into wiring things. No be just to join for negative everything together.
This your negatives, bring positive results.
Let we go. Once you just see ladder, arrange the money, give me.
I'll give you the money. Go collect Benji get ladder.
Then Benji get ladder.
Get ladder.
And more go use them Benji ladder. Collect them Benji ladder, fix them, and they come. You know me. They look around. Which one? What?
Labor.
Eh? They look around. Whether you go see people where this kind of thing, you know they shout. Come be in the.
I never see you do electrical.
You won't come waste money. Up to where
Nah,
you
wow.
give me.
I never like this
1,000 naira.
They do.
I said, if you do this work,
Don't
why
go
you
up.
Okay.
In trouble.
Just they go. No worry. They look.
Check.
They check.
I said, if you do this
No
work.
wahala.
Why you they do
Oh,
something
yeah, climb.
like that?
They go now.
I mean, they do
We
electrical
don't hear,
something
they
for
go.
my secondary school. I
Class
just want
prefect.
to look down
They
on me.
go.
You that love 1,000. You want to kill
Don't
yourself
worry.
now for 4,000 naira. I
You
just pray.
You suppose
already.
they look around what
Don't
people
die.
You know they turn robbery. We shall be look around.
Oh
You
my
should say if you
God.
do this thing.
Eh?
You fit.
I say, if you do, I go leave this work.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know one life
They
for
go.
now.
They go. Yes, yo.
Jesus! Jesus!
Who is there? Come in.
Elect, no, elect
Why the shoes?
I'm so sorry, madam.
Anyway, don't worry. Who are you?
Yeah, I'm the nanny that you placed the order online, ma.
Okay. Oh, the nanny. You are welcome.
Thank you, ma. I take care of children a lot. I'm used to taking care of children right from when they were born, even when they were not born. I'm good at taking care of children. Most time children know they cry for my hand. Now their mama they cry pass.
You don't want?
Trust me, you will testify after I take care of your child.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So, how many years experience do you have?
I have a lot of experience. I have worked in so many child care. They used to call me mother in love. You sing for me, I sing for them too. And another experience I have that I didn't expect that I'm going to have. Experience that I didn't plan to have it, but it came from within. Children, when children carries me, when I carries them, there's a way they behave. They act mature even more than their mother.
Wait till this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Thank you, Mom.
What is this one? Are you mad? Your shoes!
I'm sorry, my children like my shoes, man. It keeps them going, man. I'm so sorry, man.
Where did I get this one from?
You never see anything.
My bad.
Anyway, I'm going to the gate to get the delivery, so please watch over my baby.
Don't make that mistake.
Bye.
Don't leave. You get my dude. You leave your child with this girl that enter your bed with 2 big shoes.
Why this pikin just dey cry like this? Which kind wahala be this one now?
You're not even employed her. She's already complaining.
Don't cry, yo, baby girl. Why are you crying? Crying. Why are you crying? My memory. I lost my memory. Cry. What happened, sir? What do I start with? You know they got commando. Me for mama, I don't get strength.
What be this? What be this?
Hello, ma.
Hello?
I don't know why. He's just crying.
Oh, really?
And they pet am for me, sha. Okay, wait till they do for me. I don't they pet am. They walk down.
Oh, Shoti.
Bring my baby for me.
Oh, Shoti, will not kill me.
Oh. Now you be this man. You don't to cry.
Jesus, are you serious? What's my baby? Hey, my baby!
What is the wrong? They send the people for hospital. Be this now.
I've never seen this kind of thing in my whole life.
Jesus, where's my baby? Hey, God, I beg you. God, I beg you. Which kind girl you be? Which kind girl you be? Hey!
How would you employ an abuser?
This boy don't cry again.
You need my baby inside basket, Abi? Today you go sleep police station.
I don't understand this woman. What is going on here? You carry Teddy, leave baby with me. Don't carry your baby now. What's all this one? I'm not to do those online work. 5 minutes badness. What is wrong with this woman?
You go come out from my house. Come out from my house.
I'm not there before my time. You need to take life easy. Take life on yourself. I'm not the man. I know what I'm doing.
You should have sacked her immediately. She jumped into your bed. Without shoes.
Madam, I can explain.
Hi, my name is Favor.
What?
I don't know if you can.
Waiting, I just watched.
I don't have money.
Oh my God.
Where do you live your house before? Where? Please help me. I won't mind anything that you can do, please.
I have 500 naira. Will you take it?
Do you want to give me 500 naira?
Yes, I said say you need it. I don't
Are you sure?
Do you want it or not?
I want it. But why are you giving it to me?
It's that you asked me.
Oh yeah, sorry. Please give it to me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless. Bye. Thank you. Jesus!
Where do you think they are going, Auntie?
What do you mean? What's the problem, Auntie?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What? I was there, man. You asked me that to give him money that you 1,000. Is it not the part where you carry me to Shoprite and you say I will give everything I want in 30 seconds?
Exactly.
No, it's not. I'm not doing that. Though. I really needed the money to go home.
You carry the money from my hand. You did not mean it. You did not mean it.
I don't understand what you are saying. 30 seconds out.
This is part. It's not. I saw one of the video on Facebook that they'll carry somebody. When they carry money to this thing, you pack oil, you pack rice, you pack potato.
Our mouth is too sharp. Like blade.
Will I ask you for 1,000 to if I can buy all those things?
You are not doing prank.
I'm not doing prank. I really need it.
You come here now. You come and say, you say your name is this favor. You cannot do me a favor. I don't
Her
do you a
mouth
favor.
is
You
like
don't do me a
blade.
favor. What do you mean?
Okay, so don't worry. Just take your money. I don't want it.
So
I don't want problem.
Me, I collect this money for you.
Take your trouble.
Now what do you mean you turn to? Why you have your slippers
You
now?
will carry me to ShopRite.
ShopRite for what?
I think this comedy is hilarious. Honestly, I regretted putting it at the end.
Wait till you want this one. Who will be this one?
A fairly weary. You want to see crazy.
If you move. Yeah!
Bro, no.
Jesus! I'm scared, Mama.
Okay, we're going to open now. Let you open up now. Come on, smoke.
Jesus.
Shit!
What a smart move from the father. Where's Yuri? Where's Yuri funny?
Ah!
Si c'est la play.
Bah ouais, come.
Hey, that's it. Ah!
Hey, now wow. Guy man fuck, no go. What?
Honestly, like this comedy, yeah.
Are you stupid or something?
How would you say such a thing?
What if I give you $1,000 just to nank you? I'll give you $2,000
Do
to
you
nank.
think it's every lady that is after money?
How about I make it $5,000?
In as much as they like you, don't ever go straight to the point. You feel embarrassed.
So, for how long will you mark me before you give me the food?
24 hours for it.
I will give you 10,000 just to knock you.
10,000.
Oh, baby. You go to trust too much.
Women.
Now you know women.
This was saying before I don't feel controllable.
I'm not even control ball.
Jesus. What's all you do for you?
Come. That's what you do now. I bet don't go again. Make una just play for them, make we see. Yeah! Simple! But see that there, you got yourself money, there's that pitch, you don't feel do anything. Eh? Come on that Jesse give am. Make I not say na woman there my pitch. Come on the Jesse give am. Footballer, come inside, I beg. Yeah, come inside. Hey, give am pass.
Bobby K looks like our Bonner boy.
You said they play football? Eh? You got yourself, man. You said they play football. I beg, what outside?
Oh!
Telling you, this girl, she is like,
Please
I'm a
don't
teacher.
let
To
our
girls, you showed her. I'm a teacher you. We're not ready yet, but I'm a teacher you. Because
Okay.
you rule me. Playground, you know.
She's lucky.
Bro, she's lucky. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Well, I even got a Snapchat today. So streaks,
really?
streaks. I'm telling you.
Why do we go
You
with
give me.
girls,
No,
though?
I'm always getting.
That's what
Like,
you got to do. Eh? Who's that?
yeah.
And
Get out! You, what's your own name?
me?
You see now that I don't know how to talk to women?
Hey, Jimmy, sir.
Jimmy?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you're from Nigeria? You people are done with school?
Yeah. We just got our report card.
Okay, they've given you your report card. That's amazing. Now come upstairs. Eh?
Broski.
Sorry, I didn't know it was like that. I didn't.
Oh, why do I have a report card? You don't. Damn.
Sorry. This is amazing. What is? Fantastic. Have I applied for university?
Yeah, but there's a real problem. I got a scholarship for medicine at Oxford University.
Hey.
And I also got a scholarship to play football in America.
Your friend also plays football. You, where's your own report card?
My teacher said she lost it. She said when she was driving on her way to school that she was signing and it flew out the window.
What is this thing?
Which teacher was that?
Mrs. Ann.
She got a license now.
She got it last week. She
Okay.
You mean you don't worry about your friend, okay? If you can go home, huh?
Driving and report cars, the window is crazy, but
the gas to moment that day. They did not give you report card.
I think this is not Nigeria. Layi Wasabi went to UK, and I think he acted so many comedies.
After everything
While
sacrificed, I will be so bad. Your friend is going to finish from medical school only to be treating you.
Torment. This is actually deep torment, honestly.
How many big milk?
Wala.
Indomie, na see idea now.
I'm waiting.
70 years old man.
What?
Boy.
Thief.
This evening you will die.
But I need 2 Indomie and 2 eggs.
I no get egg, now only Indomie I get. Make I just put the Indomie for you.
God have mercy upon us.
Where my money now?
That brother will pay.
Think say they why?
I will pay.
You know what I will pay.
Okay, everything
You
now
know why
3-2
you
plus
pay
a man
now?
own 4-1.
Okay now.
Brother, yeah.
You want run?
Okay, now who be this?
Jesus.
We will handicap. So I dey here, they go inside, they go carry something for you. You dey here, they thief from my shop. Enough, voila.
Madam, I don't send you the picture, I send you the video. On your head up. I don't send them.
Oh, nah. Sin.
Okay.
Now God go bless you. Give me my money.
The guy paid for his Indomie. What sort of small boy is that now? Very wicked small boy. That's wickedness now. You should have let him go since he has paid for your Indomie. Yeah.
Madam, well done.
Well done, bros.
I want buy pepper 200.
Pepper 200 for this country. You know that this country. When you say pepper 200 again now. No, they are not get. Go front. Oh yeah, come, bros, come. Man just say for you. Feel like you really need the pepper. Man say for you.
Madam, God go bless you.
It is not cost so. Oh yeah, take this part, bros. I'm big pass.
What a wicked good. A very wicked good. This is very, very wicked. Like, no, now, this is unfair. Why would you do such a thing? Why would you do such a thing to a grown-up man?
Jesus! Hey! You know me before.
Most of you don't understand this comedy. A lot of you guys will just watch it and just understand. I will explain. We have a lot to talk about on this comedy. Yeah, we're going to dive into some reviews, and we're actually going to emphasize on so many things as well. So before we dive into these things I just mentioned, if this is your first time on this channel, or you just stumbled upon this channel for the first time and you enjoy what you just watched, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon for more, so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person, I repeat, to get the alert. So, and by so doing, you'll be the first person to watch our comedy. So don't forget to turn on post notification bell after you subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video, comment, like, share to all the social media platforms. All right, guys, let's quickly dive into today's comedy review. Let's go, man. Like I said, let me quickly emphasize on Pada DMW. Do you know what happened there? When I watched the comedy, I really did not go through the comment, because I really want to use my own initiative, my own sense, my own brain, my medulla oblongata. Yes, I really want to use my brain to figure out what this comedian was actually trying to depict. Or was actually trying to act. Yes, I use my sense and I conclude on something, because after concluding, I now watch the comment section of this comedy on Instagram to know whether what I was thinking about the comedy is right. And I found out that it's right. So I decided to bring it down for you guys. So I know a lot of you guys, if I say I should leave it for you guys to comment what Father DMW meant by this comedy he acted, some of you won't get it. Some of you won't get it because I obviously know that you guys don't understand some of you don't understand what he meant in this comedy. So let me tell you, since the guy who brought that girl to that relaxing place, or to that chilling spot, I will say chilling spot, yeah, that guy who brought the girl to the chilling spot, since that guy was about to enjoy with the girl, Father DMW know that if he poured the drink on him, the guy would not want to take it. Like, the guy's days would be ruined, and Father DMW decided to pour in the drink. And normally, he was expecting the guy to say, shit, I'm going home. I'm ruined. This dating between you and I, girl, I think we'll fix another day. We will reschedule it, So DMW just quickly take my shirt, and I take your shirt. I will manage the stain. I will manage the wet cloth. I will manage it. So you now start serving us drink. I've already taken your girl. So that's what he was trying to acting. He was trying to act. The guy will not take it. So he can take it. I can take it. So if I had to pour you water or drink on your clothes, or I'll take your clothes, and I know you won't want to, be with that girl without wet clothes. So that is for that. That is for that. Let's quickly dive into other review like Shopofo. I love Shopofo, honestly. I intentionally put it at first. I love his comedy, selling loud. Shopofo, drug and smoking, or canna and smoking. Iboku. Oh my god, I really don't laugh. I don't really want to laugh too much. My no friends, because I've been laughing ever since I watched the comedy. Before I even reacted to it, I was laughing. So Shopofo is doing great thing there. And let me quickly talk about this woman. I think is funny, too funny. What is his name? Damn. Yuri, too funny. If you notice, Yuri too funny is now using his parents to act. And in this comedy this time around, Yuri too funny was not present there. He just allowed his mother and his father to act the comedy, and they did it perfectly. I love the part where they were like, oh, come on, guys, that was hilarious, man. I mean, Yuri's mother is actually doing great thing. Yuri's mother is doing great thing. I don't really know how these people are going to make Tunde Ed not see them, or make big comedians see them and repost their work. The father and the mother is actually doing their best. It's not easy. I know it took Yuri a very hard time to convince these people that come and join me to do this comedy. And the father and the mother, they are very understanding people. They are very understanding. For them to join their son to do all these things, I think they are very understanding people, and they love it. They have passion for it. Maybe because of one or two things of life, they could not, venture into comedy. But now, since their son is doing it, so I think this is an opportunity for them to dive into it, and they are doing it well right now. You can see it. You can see it for yourself. All right, guys, that is for that. For Yuri too funny. Thumbs up to you for allowing your parents to, participate in what you do. It's a very big one for you. It's a very big one. I pray God, give you the strength, and give your father and your mother the strength to, do more, and God will surely, take you higher. You will go far. You will go far in Jesus' name. Amen. I am not a pastor, but I will prophesy. All right, guys, let's quickly dive into this one. I love this one. Oh, man, don't go forget. Bam. I told you guys to comment. I told you guys to actually comment. I told you to comment what you think about this comedy, because most of you don't understand it. This is another comedy that you will not understand. If I don't break it down for you, you will not understand. If you like before me or do that, you will not understand. This guy, Ife DK, head boy, the woman said like mother, like father, like son, like dictator slapped her, boza. The other one said they were playing football, like dictator slapped the son, baga. Meanwhile, they were smoking Kana. Then the lie detector leave him. He was free. And the father said, I used to be a this, I used to, they slapped him. Boza. So, can you tell me why the lie detector slapped the mother? Okay, if you know why the lie detector, maybe okay, the mother was lying. Why was she lying? What did you understand in that comedy? I think I will leave that one. No, I won't explain it. I will just leave it. I will leave it for you guys to comment. What do you understand by that comedy? What do you understand by this actual comedy? Like, why did the lie detector slap the woman? It's a very long story. If you don't know, let me tell you, you will never know. I swear you will never know. All right, guys, thanks for watching Crity React. See, just trust me. If you watch my comedy, you must laugh, because you don't just watch any other comedy on this fair. On this fair, you don't watch any other comedy. On this space or on this fair, you watch what is hilarious, like crazily hilarious, that you will get off your seat and laugh out loud. I think we're wrapping up. I think with this little illustration, this little emphasis, I believe you guys understood some parts that you don't understood before. I know you understand. You're understanding it right now. So guys, let's quickly dive into the end of this video. We are calling it a day. Honestly, we are calling it a day. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy. Stay tuned on Crity React and expect hot banger from us. All right, guys, don't forget to like this video and share it. Comment also. And we're going to see you guys on our next comedy episode. Have a wonderful time and peace out.